guys, what's going on? Maggie from M&R here. Today I'm with Peter Walsh, the Vice President of M&R. We are in Fort Payne, Alabama at Cryer Signs. Pete, why are we here?
We're here for a really exciting event. It is the installation and commissioning of the 200th Cobra screen printing press. Really big day for us.
Yeah, let's go inside. Hi, David.
Hello.
Maggie from M&R.
Good to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Hey, David, Peter Walsh.
Hey, great to meet you.
Great to meet you.
I'm so tickled y'all showed up.
Hey, this is a big event. Really excited about learning a little bit about Cryer Signs, your history, the type of customers you serve, and certainly let's get this Cobra up and running.
Oh, I'm tickled to death. I'm ready.
We're excited. I cannot believe we're at the 200th Cobra installation. It feels like just yesterday I was in Kentucky at the 100th Cobra.
The thing that makes the Cobra so special is it's the result of an extended design development process over 18 months involving our engineering, product development, product management, and the help of some key customers through a beta process that's resulted in the development and introduction of the machine that really seems to have caught the attention of the screen printing market.
They say every successful company has a secret source. David, what is yours?
Well, it's just the passion of being creative. We started 30 years ago making the sign shop, and it just kept growing. Shortly after we did that, we started doing T-shirts. So I've been doing T-shirts for 25 years. A few years ago, we started doing vehicle wrap, so that was being creative. And we have a lot of people coming to do this. And you know, when you do artwork, you can use it on everything. So it just started expanding, and I started out with my chameleon press and did it for several years. And I always wanted an automatic. I went to a sign show in Atlanta, saw M&R. I said, hey, this is the equipment that I want. I just fell in love with the equipment, and I've been with them for that long, and there was no question what I was going to do next time. I was going to get M&R because I knew it was the best equipment. So that's why we're here today.
Yeah. David, over 25 years of manually printing. Why automatic? Why the Cobra? And why now?
Well, I tell you what, the manual served me great. It was wonderful, and I really enjoyed the machine. But I tell you what, we had a good customer base, and through the years, we just kept expanding, kept growing, and production is all about production now, and it's that precise quality that they give you. You know, like I said, I went to a sign show several years ago, and I knew that's what I wanted. So the Cobra, I looked at several ones, and the Cobra was just I felt like was the one for me. I looked at a lot of videos, and I talked to my sales rep, you know, from NASDAR, and I was just knew this is what I wanted because I'm trying to keep up now, and you know, I'm getting a little older now. I need help. And M&R is helping me, you know. So time's now.
David, how's the Cobra going to help grow your business?
Well, I'll tell you what, we have a wide customer base, and we keep expanding. We've done T-shirts for schools and churches and different organizations, and the orders keep getting bigger, the colors keep becoming more, and that's the reason why we got the Cobra. And we started doing them for major companies, and right now we're doing one for Little River Clothing Company here locally, and we're doing it. That's the first shirt that's going to come off the press for Little River Clothing. And the picture, it's going to be a picture of a dog. And this dog is actually Jack's dog.
What has your experience been like with NASDAR, especially your rep, Buddy Jolly?
Well, I'll tell you what, Buddy's been great. I said he's also, I started with NASDAR 25 years ago. I had the first chameleon and I had a Saturn press. And when I did it, they gave me a good experience. They helped me, they trained. When I came down in, they helped me to set up screens. So they just didn't sell it to me and leave me. You know, I like that. So I called them again, and that's the reason why I went with Buddy Jolly. He's been great. He's been here all week long. Yeah, the man has stretched screens. We went over details of how the experience was going. Yes, Buddy Jolly has been great. And I'm tickled to death, not just for me for being number 200, but for him. So I'm really happy for him and for John and for M&R. You know, I think this is just great.
Happy for you.
Hey, David, congratulations on the completion, the installation of Cobra number 200. I see we've got the first 3 shirts that have come off from the machine.
That's right.
One of them we hope that you'll proudly display at Cryer Signs. One of them you'll give to Jack at Little River Clothing Company. And that third one, if you'll let us do it, we'd love to take that back to M&R and display it in our headquarters.
That sounds great. And I believe y'all randomly done this, so I don't even know which one's the first. So it's the first 3 for sure.
And hey, thank you for your trust in M&R. Thank you to everybody here for your hospitality. Buddy, your support. John, the Super Tech. Really appreciate it.
All right.
David, we've got some merchandise for you. We've got the M&R Blue Crew banner, the M&R swag bags, the M&R Blue Crew t-shirts, Blue Crew hats, and we officially welcome Cryer Signs to the Blue Crew family.
I appreciate it. I'm glad to be a member.
Hey, thank you for that. Not really sure where Maggie's got to. It's unlike her to miss a moment like this, but sure she got something she's doing.
Don't get your girl. Oh,
David, here's the official Blue Crew squeegee.
All righty. I'm proud to be a member.